What's up? Let's rock and roll. NVIDIA with a little bit of the downside. Bounced out of there. I don't know if you guys saw. Actually, I didn't post it in Discord. I did post it in the school community. If you guys saw there, I was trying to post on. I posted on X in school. I did grab some shares at 173. It dropped down, hit the zone. They're up. I guess I could have probably sold up here. I didn't scalp it though. I ended up just grabbing some more. I do still have those shares. As far as guidance goes, I don't know. I need to probably hear the call because I've heard a couple things, people talking about it, and usually they kind of give it away. So as far as I'm concerned, I think we're still very much probably rocking and rolling. NVIDIA does this. It goes up, it goes sideways, and it just goes up some more until AI flattens out. I think we're probably just maybe at one of these flat spots right here real quick. All right, looking at the dollar, a little bit of a gap down on that open. US dollar, Japanese yen, nothing. US CAD finally breaking down, but needs to probably get down much further. I haven't added on. I remember I was going to add on at the break of this zone, or I can't remember which one I said. If I did change my plans, it's actually this zone right here. I still don't want it to be technically a high or low right inside here, so that's why I haven't added on, said much about it. Bitcoin still very much trending down right now. If there's going to be a buy for me as far as like contract-wise futures, it's going to be this 107 mark. I think hitting that zone, it's going to be where it's at. S&P kind of sold off with NVIDIA. Maybe the whole market was waiting on NVIDIA. I don't know. We tagged the all-time highs, came back down. I am losing my mind on these blue zones. These blue zones are no longer blue. They're officially yellow. I'm not going to change it yet, though. I don't want to signal. I want to signal to the market makers. It's time to get up there. Yeah, I'll change them later. But for now, those are almost a hard yellow. Like the breaking down right here. I mean, blue zones get broken all the time, but I don't know. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. Watch out for these zones for now. If we get down to this one again, I'm going to have to buy. This would be a proper high or low. Whether we call that, a high or low or not, I'm sure on a smaller time frame someone is calling it that, and I would just like a few more candles in there. As far as the expected moves, nothing. NASDAQ, same thing, kind of just followed the overall. NVIDIA came out, dropped it down zone to zone. I gotta say, this looks more like a dip buy than the other for now. So if you're playing that, I would probably just go along with the stop below these green wicks. Sorry about that. Yeah, I wouldn't go all the way to that red wick. As far as the Qs go, nothing. Grandpa Dow, I'd be long that one. Same with the Russell. I took a futures trade last night on the Russell, watching it bounce up. I forget how little you make on the Russell unless it goes actually zone to zone. Hims. Bear flag or reversal. I do